There are many ways to earn money online, but today I am sharing ways that require no investment. Among these, any of them may appeal to you, so grab hold of it, start working, and see how you can change your destiny on your own. In a world where money seems to make the world go round, the idea of making money without spending a single penny might sound too good to be true. However, with a bit of creativity, determination, and some spare time, it's possible to generate income without any upfront investment. Let's explore some simple ways to put money in your pocket without breaking the bank. If you possess skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, freelancing can be a great avenue to earn money. Various online platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Signing up on these platforms is free, and you can offer your skills to a global audience without spending any money. Companies are always eager to gather feedback on their products and services. Many websites and apps pay users to take surveys or write reviews. Participating in these activities doesn't cost anything, and you can earn small amounts of money or gift cards by sharing your opinions on different products or services. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Many companies offer affiliate programs where you can sign up for free and receive a unique link. Share this link, and when people make a purchase through it, you earn a percentage of the sale. Social media, blogs, or even word of mouth can be effective in promoting affiliate products without spending any money. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok can be your stage. Creating and sharing interesting videos or images can attract followers. Once you have a decent following, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or by selling products, all without investing a dime up front. Offering virtual assistant services is another way to make money without spending anything. Many entrepreneurs and businesses look for virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, data entry, or social media scheduling. Utilize your organizational skills and time management abilities to earn money remotely. If you have a passion for photography, consider selling your photos online. There are platforms that allow you to upload and sell your images without any initial cost. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or even stock photos, your pictures could become a source of income. If you excel in a particular subject or a skill, you can offer online tutoring services. Many websites connect tutors with students seeking assistance. This not only helps others but also allows you to earn money using the knowledge you already possess. Making money without investing money is possible, and the internet has opened up numerous opportunities. Whether you choose to freelance, participate in online surveys, engage in affiliate marketing, create content on social media, offer virtual assistants, sell photos, or become an online tutor, there are various paths to explore. Remember, success often requires time and effort, so stay persistent and enjoy the journey of turning your skills and time into a source of income.